I would want to believe it's been a beautiful 3 days during the Swazi Frontier Race, proudly sponsored by Total. The 3-day course seems to be very exhausting when you look at the riders, when you look at the videos and the mud on their faces, but at the end of the day it's all excitement and happiness and achievement of having been able to achieve the most tedious and adventurous beautiful race in the kingdom of Eswatini. Total is proud to be part of this race as we are committed to better energy. We know all the cyclists have been using as much energy as possible and will probably be able to regain it back in the next few weeks. We would like to see everybody back again because we haven't heard of any terrible accidents, and we were obviously hoping everybody would ride safely as per our company norm that safety is our top priority. So we know everybody has been safe and riding and enjoying themselves. We look forward to another adventurous race in the coming years, and like to say everybody must have a safe trip back home and remember where to stop at the nearest Total service station.